Hi everyone, this is Geetika Vinodni. You are watching Geeta Tricks. Today our topic is tests of divisibility. In our last section we have discussed about numbers and types of numbers, right? Today in this section I will explain tests of divisibility. Let us start our section. Tests of divisibility. We have 9 methods for finding divisibility. They are: one is divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 4, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 6, divisibility by 8, divisibility by 9, divisibility by 10 and divisibility by 11. From last of this section, I will explain divisibility of 7 also. What is divisibility? A divisibility test is a rule for determining whether one whole number is divisible by another. It is a quick way to find factors of large numbers. First one is divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2. Its unit digit is any of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Let us take one example. 64892. Here the unit digit equal to 2. So this example is divisible by 2. Let us take another example. 64895. Here the unit digit is equal to 5. So it is not divisible by 2. The next rule, divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Let us take one example. 587421. The sum of the digit is 27. Yes, 27 is divisible by 3. So 587421 is also divisible by 3. Let us take another example. 689453. Its sum is 35. 35 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. The next rule is divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the sum of its last two digits is divisible by 4. Let us take one example. 5249376. Here the last two digits equal to 76. 76 is divisible by 4. That's why 5249376 is divisible by 4. Let us take another example. 638214. Last two digits equal to 14. 14 is not divisible by 4. So 638214 is not divisible by 14. The next rule is divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its unit digit is 5 or 0. Let us take one example. 328695. Here the unit digit is 5. So 328695 is divisible by 5. Let us take another example. 638214. Here the unit digit is 4. So it is not divisible by 5. The next rule is divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. We know the rules for 2 and 3. When unit digit equal to 2, it is divisible by 2. So 974562 is divisible by 2. When the sum of the number is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. So here the sum of the number is 33. 33 is divisible by 3. So 974562 is also divisible by 3. So entire the number is divisible by 6. The next rule is divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 when the number formed by its last three digits is divisible by 8. Let us take one example. 6754120. The last three digits is 120. 120 is divisible by 8. So 6754120 is also divisible by 8. Let us take another example. 5943246. 246 is not divisible by 8. So the entire number is not divisible by 8. The next rule is divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Let us take one example. 594324. The sum of the number is 27. 27 is divisible by 9. So 594324 is also divisible by 9. Let us take another example. 3714529. Here the sum of the number is 31. So it is not divisible by 9. So entire number is also not divisible by 9. The next rule, divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 only when its unit digit is 0. Let us take one example. 234780. The last digit equal to 0. So the number is divisible by 10. Another example 234785. The last digit is not divisible by 10 because the last digit is 5. So the entire number is not divisible by 10. The next rule is divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of its digits at odd places and the sum of its digits at even places is either 0 or a number divisible by 11. Here, the sum of its digits at odd is 22. The sum of its digits at even is 11. So, it equals to 11. 11 is divisible by 11. So, this number is also divisible by 11. These are the tests of divisibility. Here I told all 1 to 11, but I didn't tell divisibility of 7. So, in 7 I am getting some logic, that is divisibility rule for 7. Let us take one example 2744. For getting divisibility by 7, the first step is remove unit digit. The unit digit of this number is unit digit equal to 4. First step, remove unit digit. Here I remove the unit digit. And next step, subtracting the double of unit digit. What is the double of unit digit? The double of unit digit equal to 8. So here I am subtracting the double of unit digit. I am getting 266. This process will did until getting 2 digits. Here I am getting 3 digits. So for 2 digits I am again continuing this process. Again I am write 266 here. Again I remove unit digit. Here the unit digit is 6. I remove unit digit and double the unit digit. What is the double of unit digit? 12. Here 12. The double of unit digit is subtracting with this value. I am getting 14. 14 is 2 digit value. So, I am getting 2 digits. 14 is divisible by 7, right? So, entire value is also divisible by 7. So, 2744 is also divisible by 7. This is the trick to getting divisibility rule for 7. This is the trick for divisibility by 7. If you know any simple method better than this, you will comment that method in comment box. Up to now, I explained numbers, types of numbers, tests of divisibility. So, in our next section, I will explain some results on division, division algorithm, basic formulae. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.